My goal is to create an empire. Goals ng iba is pera. My goal is legacy and building an empire. Money is just secondary. Success is permanent. Of course, marami kayong alam na financial advisors, tama? Hindi lang sa AIA, sa ibang companies din. May kilala kayo, tama? Who among you here even heard lang ng dating nasa X company, lumipat sa Y company, pero lahat ng kliyente niya lumipat din? Why? Because they did not buy the company lang. They bought you. Now you went to another company, they'll go with you. Because that's loyalty. And loyalty is earned, guys. Hindi nabibili yan. Loyalty, you have to show sincerity. You have to show that you're trustworthy. And you can only be trustworthy if you be honest with your clients. And never put a shred of doubt sa mga puso nila. So una pa lang, ang dami na nagsasabi, paring hi, bumibili ka ng Rolex, 800,000. Bebenta mo ng 850. Sinasabi mo talaga sa video. Minsan may tumatawad pa sa akin. Boss, nakita ko, binili mo lang to, 750. Binibenta mo sa akin, 850. Diba? Kailangan ko naman tumubo. Our common denominator about our clients, 80% I would say they're all business owners. All are business owners. And if they're business owners, they uphold, of course, yung business ethics. And they know that kailangan nyo rin tumubo. No one is doing charity work here. And the more that I know that tumutubo ka ng maganda at masaya ka, masaya din ako. That's why we call it a win-win situation. If you think na ikaw lang yung nanalo sa deal, you could have gotten the deal but you actually lost your client for a longer haul. Ang akala natin, panalo tayo kasi mas malaki yung tinubo natin ngayon or hindi natin siya nabigyan ng mas magandang package. Sa mga kasama nyo dito or katabi nyo will spill it to your client one way or another. Ay, grabe, hindi pala ganun kaganda yung bigay sa akin na deal. Sira ka na. You lost the client. Sales is long-term, guys. And the reason why people that are in sales for the longest time are the one who succeeds. Why? Not because they just have a lot of experience, but they've accumulated enough network para balik-balikan sila. The after-sales program is very, very, very important to keep a very good relationship with your clients. And that's what my team, kung makikita mo, may mga clients kaming ilang beses na namin na-vlog. Ilang beses namin napupuntahan. Nabibigyan pa namin ng gifts and whatnot. It's not because para bumili lang sila sa amin. It's because we want to maintain a good relationship with these. Our motto sa Gentry is not just to create clients, but create advocacy. Gusto namin maging advocates yung mga tao, yung mga kliyente namin. What does advocate mean? It means they market for you guys. Their word of mouth, sasabihin nila sa mga kaibigan nila, sa kamag-anak nila na pare, dito kayo kay agent pumili. Magaling yan. Kahit mag-ads kayo ng 10,000 per day, talo yun. Pag sinabi nung isa na akin yan, bro, vouch ko yan. Tapos na usapan. That is how you grow. And for us, that's what we've been doing. Now, how did SOCMED and digitization help me grow? Depends on what's your goal. My goal is to create an empire. Goals ng iba is pera. Ako hindi pera. My goal is legacy and building an empire. If money is your goal, it's not gonna work, guys. Sad to say. But if you want to be the label, the #1 agent ng AIA this year, that's a different thing. Or gusto mo ikaw yung pinakamalaking kinita. Yung pinakamalaking kinita, that's just money. And the easier it gets in, the easier it gets out. Pag alam mo hindi mo masyadong pinaghirapan or ang bilis ng perang pagpasok, mabilis din lalabas yan. But for network, hindi. If you are able to create a good reputation, a good network, that's long haul. That's long term. Money is just secondary. Success is permanent. Unless, siyempre, mag-iba tayo ng ugali, lumaki ulo natin, yan na yun. Alright? So money is just secondary, guys. Some deals that I do, halos wala na kaming tubo, okay lang. Because I want to win the client, not the deal. The deal is just one time. Winning a client, that's forever. They refer you to a lot of people. May client ako makulit, Jologs. Jologs din ako. May pagbiruan ako, may pagtawanan. Pero may client ako very serious. I'll be serious. I can speak English. Hi, how are you? Yeah. What can I do for you today? You have to adapt.